Today, we're going to walk you through two different solutions if your archived stories aren't appearing or functioning correctly on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Once there, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right to access Instagram settings. Scroll down to find the archive option and tap on it. If you're unable to see your stories archive or encounter a non-functional button, follow these steps. Tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen, then select Settings. Look for the Save Story to Archive option at the top and turn it off. Wait for about 10-15 seconds before turning it back on. Return to your archive page. This step often resolves the issue, allowing you to access your archived stories. If the first method doesn't work for you, don't worry. Here's another solution. Navigate to the settings. Scroll down until you find Apps or Applications and tap on it. Look for Instagram in the list of installed apps and tap on it. Inside the Instagram app settings, tap on Storage. You'll see options to clear data and clear cache. Tap on Clear Cache first, then confirm the action if prompted. Next, tap on Clear Data and confirm this action as well. Please note that clearing data will not delete your Instagram account or personal information, but it will reset app settings and may log you out temporarily. After clearing the cache and data, reopen the Instagram app. This action refreshes the app's configuration and often resolves issues related to archived stories not showing up. If you have any other tips or questions, feel free to share them in the comments below to help others experiencing similar problem.